Hello and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a new series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we'll highlight 5 new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is Matco's Sidekick Ready Work Table. It features a quick adjust lift height mechanism that allows for easy height adjustments. The table is compatible with the modular Sidekick organizers and the Matco parts tray, allowing users to create a setup that meets their unique needs. Next is Monty 3550 Tilt Tower Tire Changer from Hofmann. It includes an on-floor bead breaker integrated with the tilt tower configuration, facilitating effortless wheel placement, reducing technician fatigue, and minimizing the risk of wheel damage. Our third tool is Snap-on's 3/8-inch 36mm low-profile filter socket. This tool allows users easy access to filters and filter caps, even around obstructions. The socket features a durable chrome finish. The next tool is the 3-in-1 inflator and tire valve core extractor from Ken Tool. It's designed to be an all-in-one powerhouse for handling valve core installation, removal, and quick tire inflation. According to Ken Tool, this tool saves technicians time, space, and hassle. The tool has a maximum pressure of 160 psi. Finally, our last tool is OTC's Positioning Jack Storage Rack. It's designed to hold up to 4 positioning jacks, all sold separately, either mechanical or the hydraulic versions. The rack features a 5-inch swivel caster for easy maneuvering. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletters and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.